This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Nestled along the tree-lined streets of the picturesque community of Whispering Ridge is this well-kept 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. The open concept floor plan features a spacious living room that is ideal for entertaining. The eat-in kitchen offers Expresso Stained 42 inches upper cabinetry with crown molding trim, closet pantry, and stainless steel appliance package. A large center island adorned with granite countertops provides additional seating space. Tranquil woodland views, through glass sliding doors, can be had from the formal dining area. The master bedroom suite feature wall-to-wall carpeting and a generously sized walk-in closet. The master bathroom is appointed with a Comfort Height Vanity, granite countertop, a walk-in shower with glass enclosure and a linen closet. This desirable floor plan also offers a junior bedroom suite with direct access to the guest bath. Other amenities include a laundry room with washer and dryer. Each bedroom features a walk-in closet, Shaw luxury vinyl plank flooring in wet areas, low E Double Pane Windows, in Wall Pest Control System, Irrigation West/Irrigation Meter. Exterior Carriage Lighting, chrome Moen Fixtures in bathrooms, ceiling fans West/remote controls, architectural shingles, tiled entrance, premium lot with no rear neighbors and a 2-car garage with keyless coded entrance. For your outdoor entertainment there is a delightful large screened in Lanai enhanced with tile flooring and ceiling fan. Great convenient location within minutes from shopping, restaurants, and Legoland. For more information, review